happy Sunday. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. I certainly have. Had a few events, 4 events actually. I'm a bit tired, to be fair. But what I've realized is that there's a huge element that is not really discussed when it comes to anti-aging. So we normally focus on things like eating well, getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, having a social network. It could be having a positive outlook on aging and reducing your stress. Reducing your stress is an obvious one. So they're all things we probably are already aware of. But what I've noticed over the weekend with my events is there's been a lot of creativity involved in the events, and the joy and the youthfulness, seriously, on these people's faces afterwards is just beautiful. Hi, Laurie. And I realized that creativity is actually anti-aging because we're tapping into our inner child. We're feeling youthful, so we're producing those emotions and those hormones, and so I decided to have a look at it and see what research is out there. And it's out there. So what I found is being creative increases self-esteem, which makes sense because you're making something beautiful and you feel confident because of what you've created, often unexpectedly. The things that we did over the weekend weren't hard to do, but they provided beautiful results. So that gives you the confidence, oh, look what I did. It promotes self-expression. Quite often there's lots of things that are unsaid and we can pour that out, sometimes quite literally with paint. You can pour that out onto paper and then it's out of you and you've released that, whatever thoughts or concerns that you might have had. It reduces depression and anxiety. Again, we have fun when we do these things. So of course it's going to reduce depression and anxiety. It provides a strong sense of identity. When we establish what we're good at and what we enjoy, it helps us realize more about ourselves. And it assists in socialization. And as I just said, I had a couple of events this weekend with creativity, and these women didn't know each other and they got to know each other. So when's the last time you were creative? When's the last time you drew, colored in, painted? There's lots of different ways to be creative. Played music, wrote poetry or something. When's the last time you were creative? Try to make it a weekly practice, if not daily. It really does make us feel good. I'll see you next week. Bye.